In this beginner's guide to PowerPoint for students, we'll create a presentation to meet a class assignment. We'll include a title slide and content slides, including a reference list. When creating a presentation, make sure your formatting matches the assignment requirements and instructor's specifications, including your citation style. We'll be using MLA. If you're familiar with Microsoft Word, you'll notice many similarities in look, feel, and function when using PowerPoint. The opening screen includes a list of recent presentations, as well as a selection of templates that you can use. Today, we'll be starting with a blank presentation. In the center is a slide area where you create your slides and edit your content. On the left is a slide list, which will show each slide as we create them. And across the top is a ribbon with all of the commands, and each ribbon is divided into tabs with different commands grouped together. Let's start by adding a title. And just like in Word, we can edit this. The subtitle is your identifying information. It would include your name, the class, the due date, perhaps your instructor's name. Now we're going to add a new slide using the ribbon with the drop down. We can pick several kinds. We're going to use a to content slide. Let's add the title. And now bullet list. And you'll notice right here that we do have a citation. Now let's add an image. If we had one from File, we could insert that, or we could drag and drop it. Either way. We're going to do an online picture, and that opens a search screen. And you'll notice we're only getting Creative Commons, which allows us to use the image without having to add a citation. And once we have the image in, it opens up picture tools, and we can pick different frames or ways to format our picture. And there's more if you drop down there. Let's do that. Now we're going to duplicate this slide by coming over to the slide list, right-clicking, and you can see here I can delete a slide, I can duplicate it, I can add a new slide. Duplicating a slide lets us keep the content formatting and just change our text. So we'll come over and click in the slide area. Changed our title. Now let's change our list, and there's another citation here. And now let's change our image. We're going to right click on that, and you have several options. Change picture, and we're going to do another image search. Again, Creative Commons. And you see we kept our formatting. Let's add a slide for our works cited. And this time we're going to pick a title and content slide. And we'll add that. Then our citations. And you'll notice that it came in a bullet list. That's the default. We can turn that off up on the ribbon. And we could actually make this a hanging indent using the sliders up on the toolbar. There you go, hanging indent. If you need to rearrange slides, you can use the slide list, and you can just drag and drop. And you can see how it's changed. Now we have a presentation that's a little bit plain, and in the beginning we could have started with a design template, but we can still apply that or a theme to our presentation using the design ribbon. So we'll change over. And you can see all of these different options here. And as we click them, we can see the difference on the slide list as well as in the slide area. And there are several that you can pick from. And you can see each time you select how it's going to look a little bit different. Once you've decided on a presentation and you're ready to go, don't forget to save it either here or using the command. And when you're ready to present, you can use this icon here. You can also use a keyboard command, F5. This will start your presentation from the beginning. There is this one down here that will start your slideshow, or you have a slideshow ribbon, which gives you many more options, such as starting from the current slide. And when you look at it, there you go. We hope this gets you started and gives you enough to create a PowerPoint presentation for your class assignment. If you'd like more help, please visit us in the library.